Guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun pumpkin Dollar Tree DIY. So I picked up one of these little pumpkin signs they have there at the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to remove the little flower and raffia that was on there. Otherwise, it kind of has like this burlap texture on there. I just went ahead and removed mine because I don't need it to be on there. You could use any of the stand-up pumpkin signs for this. It would work fine. I do want to kind of mask any glitter and writing that was on there though, so I just went over mine with a little bit of white acrylic just to give me a blank canvas to work with. What I want to cover this with is some of the deco mesh from the fall aisle at Dollar Tree in this great acorn print. I love the texture of this and I thought this would make this really pretty. As you can see, it's not quite wide enough, but that's okay. It's easy enough to piece together. So what I'm going to do is kind of sketch out on the back how big I'm going to need it to be and go ahead and cut out as much of it as I can with one sheet, just cutting it while leaving like the sticker back still on there. Once I get a pretty good shape there with the pumpkin stem, I'm just going to peel and stick this on. Now I just have to worry about the sides. I still have plenty of that deco mesh available to kind of patch it in, and you really won't even be able to tell. I just cut a few individual strips, and I had to kind of double it up more when I got to ones that had the acorn on them, but I just basically cut it down to fit and stuck that to the pumpkin as well. Now, if you like that metallic look, you can kind of leave it just like that, but I was going for a more neutral fall color scheme, so I'm going to actually paint mine. So I go over it first with ivory to paint everything, the acorns and all of that mesh back there, ivory, and I go in with a brush too to kind of get in some of the crevices as well. Then I go over it with some Antique Wax by Waverly and a sponge brush, just dragging that over to kind of give me a brown tone on those acorns, and that looks really cute. I'm going to top mine off with a little Hello Pumpkin wood charm that I actually got at the Target dollar spot and just kind of drape that around the pumpkin stem. I think that looks really cute. And I also gave a little bit of distressing to that base of that sign as well to kind of give it like a kind of a more driftwood appearance. And then to finish it off, I want a little pumpkin curlicue. I just used some of the wire jute from Dollar Tree and attached that to the top, kind of going off to the side. I also thought it needed another acorn just for a little bit of decoration since I have the acorn theme on there. So I'm just going to use one of the wooden acorns, and I just dye it with some of the Antique Wax by Waverly too to give it a really cute finish. You could also use the acorns they have there that are already colored, but I really kind of like the wood ones. That looks really pretty. I thought that would be a nice decoration here for the top of the pumpkin. And this is how it turned out. I think it's so beautiful. What do you guys think about this one? If you'd like more fall Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.